Hi, my name is Dee. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the offerings that you've decided to use. You must have the Application Implementation Consultant role to perform this activity. To start, I'll navigate to Offerings. If an offering is not enabled, you must go to the opt-in page to enable it. In this case, the Workforce Development offering is already enabled. I need to review the current status of the features of the Workforce Development offering and make some changes. Let's go there now. The opt-in page shows the offering and its functional areas in a hierarchy to make it easier to decide what to opt in. The first row shows the offering, and the subsequent rows show its functional areas. If sub-functional areas exist, they're shown underneath their parents. To opt in, I'll select the Enable checkboxes of the offering in the functional areas that I want to use. Before a functional area can be opted in, its parent must also be opted in. So unless I already have enabled Human Resources Business Intelligence Analytics, I cannot enable any of its children. When a functional area supports opt-in of more detailed features, an edit icon is shown in the Features column. I'll opt in Career Development and review its features. The Edit Features page works the same way as the opt-in page. Features with sub-features are shown in a hierarchy, and unless the parent is enabled, a child cannot be enabled. Likewise, each column has the same purpose as it has in the opt-in page. In some cases, a feature has multiple choices to pick from and therefore shows an edit icon in the Enable column. The Selected Choices column shows any choices that are already selected. The Completed Goal Edit option is currently set to Never, but I want to review the choices and decide if I need to change it. Never is the right choice for my company, so I'll leave it as is. Some multiple choice features allow you to select more than one choice. In those cases, the Selected Choices column shows all of the choices that are currently selected. The configuration of the rest of the features looks good, so I'll return to the opt-in page. Sometimes a functional area or feature is shown with the Enable checkbox already marked and set as read-only. In that case, the parent represents a core functionality and therefore must be used. However, you're able to opt in or out of its sub-functional areas and features as usual. If the ability to opt in will be discontinued in the future, the Not Optional From column shows the software revision from which it will be discontinued. Now that I've finished enabling the functional areas and features that I want to use, I can start to set up the offering. Please watch the Setting Up Offerings video tutorial next to learn how to set up an offering. Thanks for watching.